Hey guys, see that? Something is there in our kitchen garden. It looks like a snake.
Have you ever seen something like this? Looks almost like a snake. It is a complete skin of a snake. So, why do snakes shed their skin? Simple answer is all animals shed their skin. Though unnoticed, humans also shed millions of cells. Snakes and some other animals shed a layer of dead skin in one large piece, and this process is called ecdysis. The first reason for shedding the skin is as the snake's body continues to grow, their skin does not. So, to enable further growth, they shed their skin. Another reason for shedding their skin is to remove the parasites attached to their skin. The process of shedding the skin is very interesting. Prior to shed the old skin, a new layer of epidermal cells will form beneath the old skin. Once it is ready to shed the skin, the snake will rub its head on a rock or a similar rough surface. Snakes shed their skin multiple times, usually 2 to more than 10 times per year. Younger snakes that grow faster shed their skins often, but old ones shed their skin mostly twice a year. Hope you enjoyed the video. Do like, share and subscribe. Bye.